Hi, I'm Diana and this is Sasha. Today we have prepared a choreography for the first dance of a well-known song, I Don't Wanna Miss a Thing. Well, we will start with the basic steps of disco waltz. It is a version of English waltz that we dance to 4/4 meter, so there will be a little bit different counting. So instead of 1, 2, 3, there will be 1, 2, and 3. Let's start. So we are back to you. So basic steps in a box. Slow, quick, quick. So once more, slow, quick, quick. So we can count it in this way, or 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. But which leg shall we start? Well, as you can see, we dance it in a box all the time. So we always take our outside leg forward and backward. So we start with right leg forward, then left one sideways and join, left one backward, and right one sideways and join. So right, left and join, left, right and join. And now let's dance it together. Well, let's talk about the frame. Our elbows should be here. So they can't be too low. If they are lower, it doesn't look good. So they have to be on this level. But look, not too high, because our neck should be upstretched. And the extension of our shoulders, there will be our frame. So we hold the lady in this way, pressing lady's right hand. And we hold lady's shoulder blade, and we just press it as well, so that the lady is clenched and we form one part. But gentlemen, if you move in this way, you will just feel that the lady follows your moves. It means that everything works. Let's have a look at my hand. We hold in this way and not in that way. And the second issue, ladies often grabs men's shirt or jacket in this way, or here on the neck. So all we have to do is just to place our hand comfortably on men's arm, and that's all. So do not pull your elbow up, but our hand is just on men's arm, and we need to form here one common line. Alright, and now let's practice our basic step. Man right leg forward, lady left one backward. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And when you go forward, we always start with heel. Look, heel, and now ladies, heel. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and now the other way round. So we take the same steps, but the other way round. Ladies backward, men forward. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and slow, quick, quick. And please make sure that the moves are very smooth. But how to do it? Well, I'll show you. So your knees must be soft, but not bent or too straight. You should take a step starting with the heel. And thanks to it, such move will just last without stopping. And when you go backwards, starting with your toes, our feet must be bouncy ones. Look, this move lasts all the time. I do not stop. I go all the time to slow music. Alright, so maybe let's have a look. Look, our bent knee is prepared and we go. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. So we make sure our upper part is smooth and we do not take any other additional moves. And now the next figure. we call it right turn. We will take the same steps, right leg forward, left one backward, but we will add one turn, 90 degrees, turning right. So we will make it in our frame, and we will have to turn our whole body, and the lady will just follow us. So we just flick our leg out, and I twist right 90 degrees. So we'll dance it to every wall. 1, 2, and third wall, fourth wall, and once more. We stay here, maybe. So on every 1, 2, and we need to twist 90 degrees. We start with our right leg. First wall, second wall, third wall, and fourth wall, and once more. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Well, why don't you practice those figures with music at least half an hour? And then you can move on to our next lesson.